Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. So, guys, today is a very nice day. So, I'm gonna here just today to show you the MS Word. So, some tips and tricks for the computer. So, this is official Word. So, you need to how to make the table. Especially, I'm gonna to talk about the table. So how to make the table? If you're gonna do the work, the official work, so you need to make the table. So how should I take or how should I create make a table? You see how is easily I'm gonna do it here. This is just magic. You're gonna to the festival, you're gonna to the insert and go to the table and how much you need to make a table easily you can do like that. I'm just creating this one like that, three, four, five, like that, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, I'm clicking here. You see, today automatically create this table. So what should I do? First of all, you know or maybe you are not know or understand about this. This is called what column. This is called column, and it is particular role is saying row. So this is column, this is row. So we confirm about it. Again, I'm telling you that this is column and this is called the row. So finally, I needed to do something here. So first of all, I needed to make this zero like that. This is official job. So I need to know here this name. I click here, just click on the number and another. I need to just area like that, and I need here just to attendance, attendance. So like that is okay. So I think it's a big step. So what should I do? I need to just how to I select automatic the numbers. I just select this one and go through the here and just design or something or reference here. Just go to the home and select this one. It's a magic. You see the magic. So first of all, then I should this a bigger. So how should I just small this one? You just like that. Okay, I will do this one like that smaller here a little bit. Yes, it's a fantastic. So what should I do? I just hear the name. I just like that. Sorry, John, and another writing suppose spark, and I think just like that. Clock 1257, and another here. Just New York, like that, like that. You click in here. I think that and then so like that. It's just a, this is the showing the sample. It may happen or not. I use it doesn't matter, but it just I'm showing you how to make the table and how to uh, easily doing like that official work. So what should I do? I think I have just I suppose I just miss a mistake here. I needed this name John, Mr. John, and Cook's name. Downside and it means exchange with the upper side. So what should I do? I just to here, cursor here, and go to the press shift alter upper arrow. That means you see Mark has gone to the upper side and John to the east side. It's exchange already exchanged. And again here I need to change now right now just clock. Suppose change with the name. What can I do? I just select this all, select this one, and go here. You see, you see, I'll change now, not like that. Okay, I need category here, and I just select all the things here, like that. Uh, here, and then Jonas corner here. Okay, so right here you see the difference, how is staying like that. So now I just another thing is that I need to just okay, I need to just here. Okay, so another thing is that I show you, I'm gonna here just show you like that other things. Sorry. Yeah, if you needed to uh, send together, I need not this one. Okay, or combine this one, all the things, combine the same two things with us, two things with the same. So what should I do? I need to go to the here, just go to the select, select this, sorry, select this one. How to select? Okay, sorry for that. Select this one and go here and go to the merge. You see, this is magic. How I this do like that is magic. It's the same, just whatever. And the back, how should I back this one? You see, I'm gonna do the here, go to insert and go to the table and go to the draw. Okay, draw here, you draw here. You see how magic happening is there. So, friend, this is very good and very important what I do. But sometimes if you cannot do this one, you cannot doing anything like that. So that's why you needed to know about this. So right now, I think you should know about something, another things like that. How should I split this one? So what should I do? I need to know just like that. I need now split this down like that by pressing shift key and all the thing together and go to the down arrow. Oh my god, how is that? But I think suppose you mistaken, but you need together you need just three column, this number three column or serial three column need with the combined with the four. So what should you do? Again, you need to go to the here and select these things and go to the shift and alter and the down arrow. You see how it's together. So again, I need now just to combine with the two all the things. Again, I need to back to the here. How should I do it? Again, I need to go to the pressing shift key and alter key and upper arrow, the arrow side. Oh my god, this is magic. No way, this is the magic. I think you know and you understand all the things. Otherwise, it will make a problem. So enjoy and great day. Thank you so much.